Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to reset your Corsair HS55 headset. Now the first thing I want you to do is ensure that your headset is actually powered off. So this is the power off button, this one F right here, and you just hold down this power button on your headset until you see the lights on the headset flash. So this often indicates that it's actually, attempting to reset or, entering a specific mode. And then you just release the power button and you wait for about 15 seconds. You power on your headset as you normally would, and then you can just go ahead and test it out and see if the issue is resolved. And usually it will be. That's how you reset your headset. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.